Thorburn's Terra Cotta is a tomato variety that I have been growing for a few years now. I grew them on a whim since I got a free pack of seeds for them, and I'm glad I got those seeds. Otherwise, I don't know if I ever would have found this variety. I read that this variety was introduced in 1893 by James Thorburn of New York, and it was actually at risk of becoming extinct, but it was repopularized in the early 1990s from seeds that were preserved in the USDA's seed bank by Craig LaHoulier. It really is such a beautiful tomato when it's ripe, with its honey brown skin on the outside and its reddish orange flesh and green seed mass inside. This slicer tomato really is a work of art. The flavor is nice. It's very rich and kind of has a subtle, smoky flavor. It definitely is a very savory tomato, and on the Brix meter, it had a reading of 7.9, and anything over 8 is considered a sweet tomato, so it just narrowly missed that mark. And there could be a margin of error on these meters, but I feel like it's close enough to consider it a sweet tomato, and I would say that the acidity level feels mild yet balanced. This variety has proven to be pretty productive for me over the past few years that I have grown it, and the plants overall hold up well throughout the season, which, aside from its flavor, is why I keep growing it. So I do think that Thorburn's Terra Cotta is a tomato worth trying if you haven't tried it already, especially if you are looking for a tomato with a unique flavor.